Do you remember having something that tasted so good that it made you smile? For me, it was Paneer Makhani. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To bake our Paneer Makhani, we need to do 2 marinations. So the first marination, I have my paneer cubes. To this I'm adding Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, some salt and some lemon juice. This is mixed properly and put aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Our paneer has rested for 15 minutes. Now it's time to do our second marination. For that, we've got some hung curd or Greek yogurt, ginger garlic paste, haldi, cinnamon powder, jeera powder, dhania powder and some dried Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves. I'm just going to crush this in. Next goes in a little bit of oil. This is mixed properly and kept aside for about half an hour. To make our puree for the Paneer Makhani, I'm going to heat some oil in my pan. Once my oil is heated, I'm going to add in some sliced onions and cook them until they're golden brown. My onions are slightly brown. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and let this cool, and then we have to make a paste. To make my puree, in my blender, I'm going to put in my onions which have been fried, tomato puree. This is basically just tomatoes that I've taken. I've dunked them in hot water, removed the peel and just pureed it. And I've got cashew nuts which have been soaked in hot water. This is what goes in. Last, we'll add in a cup of water. This needs to be ground into a very fine paste. In case the paste is not fine, you can strain it. Now it's time to cook our Paneer Makhani gravy. I'm heating my pan. To that, I'm going to add some butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm adding in some cloves and cardamom. Cook this for a couple of minutes. Next goes in my ginger garlic paste and 1 slit green chilli. I'm going to cook this on a very low heat until fragrant. Next goes in my tomato, onion, cashew puree, Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, jeera powder, Garam masala, dhania powder and a little bit of sugar. I'm going to allow this to boil on a medium heat till the gravy is a little thick. The puree is thickened. To this I'm adding my paneer pieces that were marinated. Some water. And I'm going to simmer this for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add in a little salt and allow this to simmer. This is served garnished with some chopped coriander leaves.